Good evening all of you. So in the last class we have discussed about the birds which they are migrating. See, they have to migrate for adapting and tolerating the hot climate or cold climates. So today we will learn about the tropical rainforest animals. Okay. So tropical rainforest means the countries which they are located on the near the equator of the world globe, okay, of the earth. So in this equator means the sun, the rays or the sunlight is falling too much on those areas. So you can hit the climate is hot and humid. So the tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, generally the temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius. So during hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees. So even in the coldest month, the temperature is above 15 degrees Celsius. And in hot summer season it may cross 40 degree. Okay, so the days and nights are equal, almost equal in those places. So these regions also get a plenty of rainfall. See, an important feature of this region is tropical rainforest. So what is tropical rainforest? So those are the forest areas which they get more rainfall as well as sunlight. Okay. So tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, the region supports wide variety of plants and animals. So some of the animals are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lion, tiger, elephant, leopard, lizard, snakes, birds and insects. So mostly these are the general animals which they are living in the forest. See, here also some different animals are there. We are going to learn about it. So first different animal is, see how they are surviving in those places. Now they are getting enough what we can say, they are getting enough climatic conditions. Okay, they are getting yes. So these places are receiving more rainfall and more sunlight. So that is the source of many plants to grow, and that is the source for many animals. So many plants and animals are living in tropical rainforest. Okay. So adaptations of these animals to a hot and climate. Let us read about it. Adaptation. How they have adapted. Okay. Let us see now. The climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and wide variety of animals. Okay, since the numbers are large, there is too much of animals, too many animals, and there is two more plants also available. So more than the plants, the animals are more in that. So comparing with the plants and animals, the animals are large in number. So the food competition will be there, and there may be competition for shelter also. Okay. So let us see about the first animal, different animal, red-eyed frog. Okay. Red-eyed frog has a developed sticky pad on its feet to help to climb trees on which it lives. So we all know that frog lives in water and land sometimes, yes, and they see in this frog, red-eyed frog, they have a sticky pad on its feet. Okay, they have a sticky pad on its feet which help it to climb on the tree. it lives in trees in the most days, and also it has a yes. So red-eyed frog, they have a sticky pads on its feet to help it to climb on the trees. See here, this is a picture, children. See, if you search in Google, you can see the colorful picture. See, this is the red-eyed frog. The frog's eye is in red color. See, you can see the sticky pads on its feet. Okay, in the feet, you can see the feet. Yeah. Then the second one, monkeys. Okay. So usually we see monkeys on the trees, isn't it? It will eat fruits, everything. Yeah. So here also monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Their feet and hands are such they can hold easily onto the branches. See, rainforest, the monkeys which are in rainforest, tropical rainforest, have very long tail which can grasp on branches, okay, and they can easily hold on to the branches, okay. And next one, see, already there is a competition for food and shelter, okay. So food cannot be reachable easily. So one bird is there, that is very different bird. It has a large and long beak, okay, which can catch its food in the place itself, okay. So this is a toucan bird. See, this is a toucan bird. See here, see the beak of it. So very large and long. So it can easily take its food by its own, okay. And next one, yeah, this helps the toucan to reach the fruits on the branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. So some animals, they will follow the camouflage technique to escape from the predators. See, if any animal is going to catch, for example, chameleon, it can in the forest mostly it is full of leaves, it is in green color. So if some animal is going to catch the chameleon, it can change its color by green color, it can hide under the leaves. So by that it can escape from the predator. So likewise, some animals, they will have a sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin and a skin color. So they can do a camouflage. They will use a camouflage technique by using these actions. See, for what are the criteria? What are the actions they will use? Hearing and sharp eyesight and feeling, sensing, okay, and changing the skin color. See, this is to protect them from predators. For example, big cats means lions and tigers, they have thick skins and sensitive hearing. Even they can sense the grass moving sound, okay. So those big cats are lion and tiger, they have a sharp sense of hearing, okay. And the next one is lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque means bird ape. It is one of the monkey variety, okay, and it has, so which animal has a mane in its face? Yeah, lion. So lion has a mane, yeah. So likewise, these monkeys have a mane, okay, silvery white color mane around the face. Okay, that is the specialty of that animal. And from the head to cheek, down its to chin, it is a good climber and it spends a major part of its life on the tree. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers and buds. The bird ape also searches for insects under the bark of the trees. Since it is able to get sufficient food of the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. See, it spends most of the life in the trees alone. It will eat all the parts of the plant like flowers, young leaves, buds, everything. And also, if it feeling hungry, it can searches for insects which is hiding under the barks of the trees. Okay, so everything it is getting on the tree itself. So once in a rare, it will come down to the ground. And the next animal is elephant. Okay, how can you describe an elephant? Elephant அப்படினா நம்ம எப்படி அதை explain பண்ணுவோம்? It has a large trunk, long trunk, and it has a tusk. Yes? Okay, it is black in color. Yes, likewise, it has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It uses it as a nose because of which it has sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking up food. Moreover, the tusk is a modified teeth. They can tear the barks of trees, and the elephant loves to eat. So, the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. And large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also keep the elephant to cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So, about elephant, there are three important factors are there. Three organs are helping. The first one is trunk, which is used for helping picking food, and the tusk, which is a modified teeth which can be used to tear the barks of trees, and the ears, which is have very good sense of hearing and keeps the body in hot climate. Elephant's ear keeps the elephant cool in a hot climate. Okay, children. So we have learnt about the 5 animals today in tropical rainforest. What are they? Yes, red-eyed frog, monkeys, toucan, lion-tailed macaque, and elephant. Okay. So with this lesson is over. I will send you the class work tomorrow. Thank you.